Kada Hiivai Piniumpangazan, The Dawn of Kadazan songwriting written by E.F. Tenderhol. Kada Hiivai Piniumpangazan is said to be Datuk Justin Stimol's first Kadazan song composition, created in the early 1960s. Its inspiration came from a simple but meaningful encounter. Justin happened to overhear two friends bidding farewell, repeating the Kadazan phrase Kada Hiivai Piniumpangazan, which means "don't forget what we have agreed." Those words lingered in his mind. What might have been a fleeting exchange between friends became, in Justin's creative imagination, a seed of music. He sensed in the phrase not only its immediate meaning of loyalty and remembrance, but also a deeper emotional weight that could be expressed through song. Unlike many songs where lyrics are written first and melodies added later, Justin's process was more organic. The words and music arrived together, forming an integrated whole. As he strummed his acoustic guitar, he allowed the lyric and melody to unfold side by side, giving birth to a love song that carried both personal tenderness and cultural identity. Eventually, Justin recorded Kada Hiivai Piniumpangazan at Radio Sabah, the only broadcasting station in North Borneo at the time. For local musicians, Radio Sabah was the main platform to share music with a wider audience. It played a crucial role in shaping Sabah's cultural scene during the 1960s, a period when local languages and traditions were still seeking space alongside dominant outside influences. By airing his song, the station helped introduce not just Justin's music, but also the Kadazan language and identity to the public sphere. This achievement marked a milestone. Kada Hiivai Piniumpangazan was more than a personal composition, it was a cultural breakthrough. It demonstrated that the Kadazan language could be sung, celebrated, and broadcast widely, paving the way for future generations of local musicians to write and perform in their mother tongue. From an overheard farewell, Justin Stimol had created a timeless cultural treasure. His pioneering song stands today as both an artistic expression of love and a historical landmark in the preservation of Kadazan heritage.
Đời hột sampa ping sonu đời hột no gina voku Kada Hiivai Piniumpangazan tumonop no po tadau oso ku no isiau Kada Hiivai Piniumpangazan Doi no kot kotono bon Doi tizot kohisaon Kada Hiivai Piniumpangazan Sundung podo soduko Komponen toret ginavo Kada Hiivai Piniumpangazan Kada Hiivai Piniumpangazan